Nag-Watson run muna ako today para mag-restock at maghanap ng ating mga bagong hair care favorites. Ang daming magagandang options eh. Super excited talaga ako sa lahat. So may shampoo, may conditioner, and also yung hairspray ni Dove. But ang pinaka-excited ako is the gold line, the Dove Ferulic Gold by Face Spray. So pag uwi ko ng condo, try natin agad. Pakita ko sa inyo how to use this. So step 1 is to shake well muna ang bottle para ma-mix na maayos ang serum at oil layers. So step 2, spray evenly sa mid-length hanggang sa dulo ng buhok. So may 70 HPF to shield the hair from UV damage. Ang ganda, 'di ba? So step 3, finger hair or finger comb the hair or gently brush through. Super lightweight, hindi masebo at napakabango. Look at that healthy glow and shine, defy the sun, and grab your Dove Gold line now at Watsons. Cheers!